Hello guys, my name is Abitsuti and this is my entry to Delta Customs 100 subscriber contest, and he's doing this contest with Lightning Bricks aka Malcolm Hoffman, and both are linked in the description below. Let's start with Cap Boomerang from the movie Assault on Arkham, and I made his jacket with leather and his scarf with handkerchief, and I think he's an old man, so I painted a lot of wrinkles on his face and big eyebrows, and he has a start of bald head here. It was the first time that I modeled hair by myself, but actually it looks not bad, I would say. Let's come to my second entry. It's Deadshot from Arkham Origins, or from the game Arkham Origins. And here I try to use many shades and not so many black lines. These shades method are using often at Crashing Blade and at Adria1203 on Instagram, and I like this because it looks more realistic with the shades. For example, on the legs you can see the shades best, and it's light on the middle and darker on the sides, and it looks a little bit 3D then. And let's come to my last entry. It's Eddie from The Flash, and here I used also some shades, but only some, more with black lines. Here, for example, by the tie are the shades, but not often I use these shades. Here's the little police badge, his blonde hair, and he doesn't wear a jacket, but only a shirt, so I think it looks more like he's working. I don't know. Okay, so this was my entry. Hope you liked this video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and a comment below, and give me tips for the fix. Maybe you have an idea what I can make better in the next time or on this fix, and then just write it in the comments. Okay, so goodbye.